friends, I am Rijo, and today we are just plan to cover the topic Microsoft Intune Remote Help for Windows. So what is the learning objective today we are plan to discussing? Remote help for Windows and remote help sections and remote help capability and among remote help. First we will go for our learning objective. First we will discuss remote help for Windows. It's a cloud-based solution and it's secure to help desk connection with the role-based access and it's like a Microsoft cloud-based solution for the your device, end user device will be connected to the remotely, and it's supporting staff remotely connect the user device, and remote help has support for the condition access, compliance warnings and elevation of privilege, and it's support for the both joined device and registered device. RBAC remote help for the Windows means you can provide the rule for the your user to how to we can control your remote help desk, and rule you determine which user can provide the help and the level of the help they can provide, and help desk operator and custom RBAC rule will be support for the RBAC. And what is a prerequisite for the remote help on the Windows? Windows 10 OS build need to greater than or equal to 19042 and it KB version 5018 once or patch installed. And what's the license requirement for the remote help? You can go for remote help add-on or Intune suite. We will discuss about the remote help sections. So here you can see two devices and two end users, and helper means you can see here this is the helper. Who provide the help are referred to the helper. So who will provide for help for the end user, this is referred as a helper. And you can see here the shares. You can see the shares. Share means who is receive the help, that is referred as a share. So now this is the share and this is the helper. So this is the remote help section. So both the helper and share will be joined for your organization or remote help when you need the remote help. And request for the screen sharing, view the remote screen, and another request for full control, request full control on remote device. And elevation means allow the helper to enter the USC credential when prompt the share for the device. So this is the three requests available for the remote sections. So next we will discuss about the remote help capability. So what are the capability available for the remote help? It's support for the condition access. Administration can set up the condition access policy such as requiring multi-factor authentication to enhance the security. So you need to connect for the remote help. You can provide the multi-factor authentication for the condition access. And complaints warning, if the device have any complaint warning when you connect for the remote help desk, they will show you the device is the non-compliance. Complaint receive the warning and device they are connected non-complaint and assign the policy, but you can still connect it, but only they will mention you this device is a non-compliant. And elevation of the privilege, here the correct RBAC permission can interact with the user control prompt and share machine to the enter the credit. You can request for the elevation privilege for the your end user device. And support for the unenrolled device means remote help can be used for both enrolled and unenrolled device, provided they can register with the Microsoft Intune ID. Both support enrolled device and unenrolled device in the Microsoft Intune. And secure connection, ensure the help desk will connect using role-based access control to manage the level of access helper to say. And remotely start the section. You can remotely start the section. The helper is able to launch the remote help seamless to the helper and user device from the Intune by sending the notification to the user device. So next we will discuss about the remote help. So you can easily understand what is the remote help. So first we will go for our Microsoft Intune portal. So we will just go for discuss for the remote help. So now we reach our Microsoft Intune Admin Center. So first you need to enable the license for the remote help. How to you can enable? You just go for the TN administrator. So you need to check for the remote help. So first you need to go for the add-ons, Intune add-ons. You can go for here. You can either Microsoft Intune suite also available for the remote help. You can see here remote help is available. Otherwise you need to configure the add-on. You can see here the add-on also remote help will be available. So just after that you just go for the view, and then after that you just enable the remote help. So currently I just enable the trial for the remote help. You can get the 90 days up to 215 trial user for you can test the remote help. After you enable your remote help add-ons, then after that you just go for the remote help. Then here you need to go for the settings, then just to go for the configuration. Then here you need to enable your remote help and allow remote help unroll. If you have any unenrolled device, you need to allow. Currently I just allowed. If you don't want, just go for the not allowed. And if you need to disable the chat, also you can disable the chat. So currently I just no need. I will enable the chats. After that you just save this. Currently I just save the remote help. So now the configuration you will be complete. So after that configuration complete, you need to assign the license. You just go for the portal office.com subscription. Then you can assign all the products. Go for the Microsoft Intune Remote Help trial. Then you just start assign the license for the here. Just click assign the license, then assign the license for the user. Currently I just add the license for the user. So after that we will just again go for the our tenant admin. So now you understand how to we can enable the Microsoft Intune Remote Help. So after you enable for the remote help setting and configuration, so what is our next step? We need to provision this remote help application to our end user device. So you can download from Microsoft website. I will show you the URL. Go for download for the remote help. Just to copy this one. Then you just go for directly your web browser. You can directly download from the remote help. So otherwise you can be provisioning this remote help application through your apps through your end user devices. So how to we can do this one? First I will go for apps. So here you can provision for the your remote help application through two different methods. First for enterprise app method, and you can go for the Win32 app provisioning. So first I will go for the enterprise app method. Just we will go for all apps, and you just click add. Then after that you just go for the enterprise app. So here you can see enterprise app catalog. Just click, then select. Then here you can see the select app is search the enterprise app catalog. So here you need to search for the remote. So here you can see remote help. Just click remote help, then click next. Then after that select the application. So here you can see all the application details will be coming. So if you need to edit, but most probably no need to edit anything, it's automatically coming. So just go for the default. If you want to show your application remote help in your company portal, just click the end. Then after that you just click next. Then here you can see installation command. Everything will be automatically coming from the rebuild for the Microsoft. Allow, available, uninstall, and every information will be coming. Then click in next. Here you can operate a minimum 64 minimum Windows version operating system. All the details is coming. Just go for here you can see file detection, how to weaken the detection rule. Detection rule you can see the automatic. So whatever the setting is, I don't want to alter any settings. I just go for the default. Then after that here you need to give the required user. Currently I will not give the required user. Just I will go for the next assignment, then add. So now what happened? We add the enterprise app catalog. So now the application will be added. So after you add it, you can see here the property sections and the device install section, user install section, supervisory viewer, all the information coming. So now I just go for the group. I will just create one group for the our enterprise application. Just open link. So here I will create the new group, one security group for the our enterprise app catalog for the remote help. So here I will enterprise remote help, enterprise app. After that I just copy the same descriptions here. Then after that assign, I need to assign the user. I just go for the member. So I just select the device base. Just to click the device. So I just go for the SAM, then select. Then after that I just create. So now I just create the remote enterprise app, and then I will add the one member. After that I just go for the device the remote help property for the enterprise. Then we can add the assign the just click the assignment. Then I will add the group. So whatever the group I previously create, I will choose. See enterprise app, remote help enterprise apps. So just go for the select, then select. Then after that, review and save. So now we add the device group for the our remote help enterprise application. So after you finish, now we complete our remote help for the enterprise app category. So after that, I just go for my device. So what is the device we added for the? I just go for the device. Then after that, I just go for the Windows. So this device we install for the our enterprise application. So I just open this device in our virtual machine. So now I reach the device user for SAM. Then I will open now the SAM. So after that, I will just go for the control panel. Uninstall program. So you can see currently remote help not installed. So it take a little bit time to complete. So I just pause the video. Then after I will come back. So now you can see here Microsoft Intune software distribution downloading and installing. So it take a little bit time to complete the process. So we just go for our again. See now you can see Microsoft Intune software distribution remote help was installed successfully. So now the remote help is successfully installed. We need to confirm. Just go for uninstall. You can see here the remote help will be installation complete. So just we will try to open remote help. Click the remote help. So now you can see here the remote help application is. So I just in this taskbar. We will later we will sign in and check this one. Okay. So we just close this one. So now again I will go for our Intune portal. So now we just go for the apps, all apps. So now the remote help installation is completed. So a little bit time to complete the confirmation will be coming in the Intune portal. So now we complete the remote help method for the enterprise app management. How to we can add the remote help application. So next method how to you can add the in remote help. We will just go for the Win32 application. How to we can add. Just to go for the Win32 method. So here you can see Windows app Win32 just selected. So here add and custom house Win32 based app you needed to .Intune Win application package you need. So once you will select, then we will create for the .Intune Win application. So just select it. So we need to select our package. Before you need to select the package, we need to create our package. We just go for the URL. So here you can go for your download the remote help URL. So previously I already downloaded. So I just again go for to see now the remote help application is downloaded. Just I will go for the download. So I just rename this one. I just provide a name remote help. So now I just rename remote help. So after that I will just make one folder remote help install. Okay. Then I just copy this one to here. So now I just make the remote help one folder. Then I will copy. So after that you need the Intune Win file formatting package. So how to we can do that one? Just to go to again the URL. This is Win32 app preparation URL. So just to copy this one, then go for again. Just I will search this one. Then you just go for download zip file. Here the Win32 content preparation tool. Then again you just go to the folder, then extract this all. Then close this. So this is the Microsoft Win. You can go for here. You can see the Intune Win app utility application. So after that, previously I just remote help create one folder. So I just copy that one. So it's my method. Whatever you want, you can choose it. So I just copy this one. I will save here, paste. Again, I will go for the download folder. Then I just open the Win content preparation tool. Double click. Then I will run as a administrator. So here you just give the please specify the source folder. So what is a source folder? Previously I showed the source folder means where our application source folder. So here you can go for the remote help install. This is the source folder. Just copy that source folder and go for here. Just paste it. Then enter. Then they will show you. Please specify the setup file. So what is our setup file? This is our setup file. Just to rename. Just copy that setup rename file. Again go to that one. So sorry, we need to provide the exe access because you need to file name .exe. Then after that, please specify the output where you want to save this output folder. So I just go for create one output folder, the same new folder name remote. Okay. Then after that, I just copy that path also. Just to copy the path and paste the same. Do you want to specify the catalog folder? No, I don't want. Then click. See, now the content preparation tool is completed. So you can see, go for here, the same folder, remote out. So you can see the remote help installer Intune Win will be complete the. So after you finish, just to go for your previously in the app installer, here you need to select your pack. So just I will go for selecting my package, remote out. This is the package. So now the package will be coming. So just click help. So here you want to select your name, you can select it. So I just go for that. Your remote help installer, it's okay. After that, you can give the publisher name here, Microsoft. Here is the publication name, Microsoft. And app version, you want to give the app version, you can give the app version. You want to select the category, you can select and show this feature in the app in the company portal. If yes, you want to select. So you want to select image and developer, whatever you want, you can give. So I just go for only select the mandatory things. Okay, and then I will click next. So here you need to put the installation command. So go for the installation command here, remote help portal. So just a page. Very important things. This remote help installer.exe will be the name is correctly specified. How to we can specify from this is the name remote help installer. So that is the name we specify from the here remote help installer. Okay, installer. So after that we need to put the this is the uninstallation command. Just copy the same. You can see here remote help install uninstall quiet accept. Then installation time is 16 and allow available uninstall is and installation system behavior system. So here you can see installation behavior is a system. So this will be going for the system installation and device restart behavior and also remaining all I will not change. Then click in next. Then after that operating system architecture I just go for 64 and minimum operating version you can select whatever you want, but I just go for 10164. Then here you need to anything additional information you can provide. So I just go for next. Then a rule we need to manually configure the detection rule. Then we need to give the detection rule. I just select the file. Then how to we can get the file path. So once you get download your application, then you just install your application. So after your installation, you just go for local C. Then you can go for the program files. You can go for here remote help. You can see this is the file name. So just copy that file name. Now we get the file name. Just paste the file path. Then after that, file or folder path, we will file or folder. You can give either file or folder. So just to go for here. I just give the file. This is the remote help. This is the file. So just to rename, just to copy. This is the file for remote help application. So just after that, I just go for again here. Then I will give X. So you want to confirm, just to go for property. You can hit application.exe. So remote help.exe. The same we just go for here. Remote help.exe. Okay, no space or anything. Just come. Detection method, I just go for the file or folder is existing. And associate with the window, I will put for the no. Then I will click OK. So now the detection rule is completed. Then after that, click next. Then if you have any super redundancy, you can add it this one. Then click assignment. So now I don't assign this one because I will make one group, then assignment. Then click and you can see here, then create. So now we deploy through Win32 method for the remote help application. So after you finish, we need to add the click the property. We need to assign our group. Currently we don't assign anything, so just we will go for the assignment. I just go for again the group. Then I will create one new group. Then here I will type win remote help 32. Okay, the same I will copy. Then I will put here. So here then I will select the one of the member device. Just I will go for desktop select. Then after that I just click create group we created. So we need to add this group in that property sections. So here you can go, then go to just for edit assignment. Then we will add the group, required group. Here you can go Win30 remote help Win32 group. Just click that one, then select. Then after the review and save. So now what happened? We add the group on the remote help. So when I will just go for the device, then after that I will just go for Windows. Then this is the device we add the remote. So I just go for my virtual machine, then I will open that device. Then now we reach the mission, then we will open that device. Now the device is open. Just I will go for control panel. So currently here the device is not installed the remote help. It take little bit time. So I just pause the video. So after installation I will come back. So now you can see here our distribution is started. So just we will take this notification. So now the Microsoft Intune software distribution is started. So after installation it's completed. So we will just go for again our control panel. So you just click the uninstall. You can see here our remote help will be completely installed. So just I will just go for remote help. See now the distribution was installed successfully. So just open remote help in this taskbar. So you need to organization account use the remote help. So I just go for sign in. Click accept. So now the remote help section is installed in the SPC completely. So we just go for our another Windows device. So also we need to enable our remote help. We need to open. Just open the remote help application. Just click sign in. Click accept. So now here also remote help will be completed. So I just close it. So now you understand how to we can install the remote help, both either enterprise application method and Win32 method. So now we needed to check how to we can give the support for the remote help, how to operate the remote help. So what we will do, this one of the user, you can see this user Sam. So Sam will be asked for the desk in your desk help desk department. So I need a remote section for my PC is not working. So what we will do, we just go for our system. Then after that, you just go for the device. Then after that, you just go for the Windows. Then you can see here SAM device. So just click the SAM device. Then here you can see you can take the new remote assistant section from the SAM. So I just click new remote assistant section. Then click it. So you can see this one global admin. So global admin already enabled the rule for the remote help, already have that. So that's why I can take the remote help section for the our end user device. I just click continue. So after that you just go for your system. You can get the notification from the remote help. See now the remote help section. Rijo Joy from Rijon Microsoft want to help your device. You can accept or decline the request from the remote help. So I just open that remote help. Now I accept the request. So I just close this one. Then here you can see your option. Then launch the remote help. So I just launch the remote help. So now the remote help window is open. So at same time I just open the our virtual machine also. So here you need to, because need to choose your which device, which user you need, because this is Tim at Rijom on Microsoft have the global admin, so they have the rule for the remote help. So I just go for Tim, then I will enter the password. So now the device is connecting. So here you have see the option, the person who needed to your help ready. We recommend requesting screen sharing if you don't need to control the. There are two options: take full control or view screen. View screen only you can see the screen for the end user device. Take full control you can manage from your end. So I just take full control. So after I will take full control, you will get the notification from your end user device. So here you can see Rijojo asking for full control for your device. Remember to close anything you don't want to use. If you decline this one, the option is not accept for the your full control. So you need to start again the new section. So I just click allow. See now user get the full control. You can see the both screen is you can see. So I just minimize. Here. Then I will go for my virtual machine. Then I will full screen. So here you can see this is your virtual machine. You can get the JHAS controlling for your devices. So I just go for now my virtual. See now I will go for the my end remote desk user. So here you have the option for there. You can chat from here. Just click chat hi. Then click hi. You can see the chat information receive from your end user device. This is your end. You can see here. Okay. Then click yes. See I just click S. So here you can see S will be coming. You need to start that, just to go for the another method. You can see here, you can draw from your screen. You can use this option. So exit notation, you can give the exit notation. So you can point your end user device. You can point here. So see this one you can point, this one you can point, like this is the pointer. So exit the laser pointer also. So after that you have another option. You can take full control of your device. How to we can give the end user privilege for the elevation. So just you will click this option. You can see here admin section. You have request to access the USA prompt for the device that you are helping before ending the section. Close the window. So once you click OK, the user device get the full control of installing the application. So you just go for here, like I will just PowerShell. I write here, then run administrator. you can see you need to only enter your admin privilege, email address and password. You can get the administration access. So now you understand how to you can take the full control of this device. Application windows before ending the section, you can also stop that ending the information also. Then here you can click stop control, then leave. So now you understand how to you can connect remotely through admin. So I just show you another option also how to we can give the access control to the remote section. Just I will leave now. So you know already we have two devices. Already have remote help, two devices, one for. So this device want to remote help. How to we can do the remote help for the two devices? So this Sam, one of the device is Sam. This one of the device is Richo. So you will try to open this remote help. Just close it. Open, and also you can open from the remote help here. This is the other method to connect. So if you can see here, get help. Let someone you first take control of your device, solve your problems, and give help someone with the problem on this. So this section, this device need help from the some help need to update or something like this one. This device need help. So how to we can get the help? The help will be provided for the this device. So just click the security code. Just give the help. So we need to give the help. Just click the code. Hit the click. So you will get the security code. So once you copy this security code, then go here, then paste this security code, then submit. So once you submit this one, will be start for the accessing. So now very important things. Currently this SAM user have no any privilege for the remote section. So we will check. See now you can see it look like you don't have any right permission to help the other person. So just click start over. So now we give the RBAC rule for one of the SAM device. So how to we can give the RBAC rule? So currently here the section will be stopped because we cannot give the access for the this device. So how to we can give the SAM for the remote help rule. So just I will go for my rule. Then go to teen and administrator. Then here you can see the role. Then here you can either you can give the help desk operator rule or either you can create the Intune rule. So how to we can do that? Before creating the rule, we just create for the one of the group. So I just go for again the group, just to go for new group. Here I will put the group name help desk L1 help desk. I will put L1 help desk. Okay. Then after that I will add the member for Sam. I just add Sam. I will select Sam. Sam is one of the member. Then I will create for L1 help desk. So now I will. Then after that you just go for the privilege. So I will just go for Intune rule. Then here I will create L1 help desk rule. Okay. After that we just Control C, Control B, then click permission. You just go for down. You can see the remote help permission. Here you can see remote help app. So take full control. I will click view screen yes and elevation yes and unattended at control. This will be Android device and I will control start remote help section to help. So I just put help also. Then I will click in next. So here the scope tab, if you have scope tab, then now I will create. So this one, the one of the my custom rule for the RBAC. So after you create, you can go for down. Here you can see your L1 help desk. Just click L1 help desk. Then here go to assign, start assigning. So here L1 help desk admin. Okay. Then I will copy that same. Then here you need to add the group. Who is the user need to manage this group? Previously we create that group. Just go for L1. L1 help desk group. Just select. Then go to scope tab. So where you want to apply this policy for what the policy where administrating the rule assign the target to the policy where the target of the policy I will add all the device. Then I will click next. Then if you have the particular group, also you can add the particular group. I just go for all. Then I will just create. So now you assign the group for the L1. So after you assign, you need to check the rule will be okay or not. Just to go for here, close this one. Just go for troubleshooting and support. Then here you need to search your user SAM. Click SAM. Then after that, just go for here. You can see rules and scope. Just click rules and scope. Then you can see L1 desktop rule you applied. Then you can see the property also that group. You can see here take full control view screen and so now the our rule is also completed. So now after that you just go for again the same process. Whatever the remote help we try the same method previously section. So just I will go for here. Then I will just make the security code again. So after we assign the rule, so we will try again the same method we can access or no. So this user we already gave the uh, rule. So I just make again the give the help security code. So I just the code. Then I will copy this code. Then I will go again my one of device and open the remote help. So this user need the help. So I just open this user. Then I will just give the code. Then I will submit. So again I will go for the user. So after submit will be finished. So we just waiting for the now the user will be start connecting. So previous section we cannot connect for this because we now give the privilege RBAC rule for the SAM user to connect and give the help for the end user. So after that there two option take full control. I will click full control. Then you go to the device, the waiting for the person helping to set up the section. So you give the full control section. So just waiting for the, you can see here the notification come, just click allow. So now you can see, I can see the full view for our devices. The same section. Now you understand how to you can connect for the remote, how to install the remote help for the both the enterprise and Win32 method, and how to you can give the rule for the user for how to the remote sections. So both you understand how to we can do. So just I will go again my admin section. So now you can see just we finished the remote section. So just go for the TNet administration. Then we just go for the remote help. You can see here remote help sections. So you can here you can see what is help section. You team dot John and you the all the help section will be coming here. You can see. See today we just do the team for the SAM section, team for the SAM section, so that the already he will be coming from the here the all the information. So if you need to more information, just go for audit logos. So you can see the more audit logos. So here you can see the audit logo. You can see the remote helps and what the rules and what you are assigned help tricks. So you can go for the audit logo. Also you can check what is the information you did and every information. So now I just wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.